Today I'll be teaching you to go from this to this. First, we are going to take our rectangle tool and make a rectangle over the entire document for starters. Then we're going to change the color of this to preferably a dark gray or black. Next up, to make sure this doesn't move in place, we're going to go to Object, Lock, and Selection. Now we're going to take our text tool, put in our text, change the size of it and the font if you want. We're going to also center the text and then change the color of it to white. Now we'll apply our first blur. So to that we go to Effect, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. We're going to put this at 0.5 for starters. Now we're going to copy this. So we're going to go to Edit, Copy, then Edit again, and we're going to paste in place. Now we go over to Gaussian Blur again, and we're going to up it to around 4 this time. And we go back again, paste in place. Gaussian Blur. This time we're going to 10. Then we're going to paste in place again. Gaussian Blur. We're going to up it again to 25. Paste in place one more time. Gaussian Blur. And we're going to put this at 45. Now, as you see, we're going to have these weird straight edges around the text, so to fix that, all you have to do is go up to Effect, Document Raster Effect Settings, put the resolution to 300, and 720 pixels for around the object. Wait a little bit for that to load in, and it should be fixed. Next, we're going to go to our rectangle tool again, and we're going to make another overlay. We're going to make this white if it's not already. Then we're going to go into our swatches and make this a white to black gradient. We're going to click inside of the gradient bubbles down at the bottom, and you can change this to whatever color you'd like. Once you have your colors picked, you're going to click on opacity, click the down arrow menu, and click on overlay. You should now have a glowing neon text and a gradient background. I hope you all have a glowing day.